Look at this. I am so pissed. A bird has crapped not once, but twice on the roof of my car after I just washed it, I don't know, maybe half an hour ago. So it kind of inspired me to make this video because I know the reason why birds like to crap on my car and probably your car. And I know I washed it, but it's still dirty just because I haven't washed it in so long before that. I've just been putting it off with other problems, and it just never happened. Why do birds crap on your car? Now, we all know the frustration. You buy a new car, or you get your car freshly waxed and detailed, and it looks clean, it looks beautiful. Especially if you buy a black car, a nice, beautiful black car. In this case, blue, but black is the biggest issue. On my M240i, oh my God, was it a problem. So I'm going to tell you why birds like to crap on your car. Now, this is going to be a quick video. Not really too much else to this. I'm probably going to make an even quicker short out of this video. But why not? Content's content, right? So behind me, you have this little lake, this little body of water. Birds, what they will do sometimes, not all birds, but some birds, as a defense mechanism, what they will do is they will make sure they poop into this body of water as they fly. Now, the reason for that is so that they kind of hide their poop and hide their scent, so that they don't get spotted by predators. So essentially, it's a defense mechanism. Now, what does this have in common with your car, especially a car that is a black color that is extra shiny? If you look on the M2, this car is also shiny. And you look on the nice roof, the roof is shiny. Essentially, birds are crapping on your car because they think it is water and it's a defense mechanism. So that's why when you go and wash your car, especially your brand spanking shiny new black car, you wake up the next morning to 10, 20 poop stains on the car because they think it's a body of water. So they want to get rid of their poop. So yeah, that's a pretty quick video, just a quick little explanation. But essentially, yeah, well, look how beautiful that color is looking right there. They have the sun right there. Just look at that color, how it's popping nicely. But yeah, essentially this color popping nicely on the roof is exactly why birds are crapping on my car, why birds are crapping on your car. And yeah, at least now you know the basic premise and reason as to why birds are doing it. It's frustrating as it is. Don't blame the birds. You really can't get too mad at them. It just kind of is what it is. You know, birds got to defend themselves too, just like anybody else or anything else. So yeah, this was kind of a quicker, shorter little video. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. Now subscribe if you want to see more content on the M2. I'd really appreciate it. One of my goals for 2024 is to get monetized on YouTube and start being able to kind of fund some of the things I do with these cars and videos I make. So that's a goal for 2024. So 1,000 subscribers, it would mean a lot to kind of help me with that journey. Other than that, yeah, leave a comment if you learned something new today about birds, and that's going to be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time.